Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online portal now. Let's continue our lesson in history. We are doing the rise of nationalism in Europe. We are almost to the end, coming to the end. So now here, number 6.0. In our previous class, we have learned about the Balkans, different regions comprising Balkans, and most of the people were ethnic groups, and there were rivalry among themselves, as well as the big powers were also have an eye towards the Balkans. They wanted to capture the Balkans. Not only that, there were Ottoman empires, and these small kingdoms were ruled by Ottoman rulers, and the nationalists, they revolted against those Ottoman empires or rulers, as well as these nationalists, they opposed to each other from different regions. They opposed to each other. So it was a kind of explosive situation. Now here we'll talk about 6.0 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. The Balkan states. Various Balkan states were fiercely jealous of each other. They were jealous of each other, and each hoped to gain more territory. Each state tried to gain more territory at the expense of others, at the cost of others. They wanted to occupy other territories also. They were jealous of each other. This is one situation. And these nationalists were against the Ottoman empires, the rulers. So now on both the front they were fighting, one among themselves and one with the Ottoman rulers. So they were more jealous of each other, and each hoped to gain more territory at the cost of others. Number 2, matters further complicated. Matters became more worse because the Balkans also became the scene of big powers. The big powers, European powers, Russia, Germany, England and Austro-Hungary, rivalry. They were against each other. They were waiting for a chance to occupy the whole Balkans. They did not want other powers to occupy Balkans. They were waiting for a chance. So there was a rivalry between Russia, Germany, England and Austria-Hungary. There was intense rivalry among these European powers. Among these European powers, there was rivalry among themselves over trade, colonies, as well as naval and military powers. So they were, because of this, there was rivalry among themselves. Who will possess the maximum number of colonies? Who will have military and naval powers, might? And who will control the trade? For that, these Russia, Germany and England and Austria-Hungary, they were rivalries. They were rivals, you can say that. And not only that, these powers were keen, desirous. These powers were desirous, keen means desirous, on countering the hold of other powers over the Balkans. To counter. So if Russia tried to occupy the Germany and other, they will counter. If Germany tried to occupy the Balkans and other, Russia and England and Austro-Hungary, they will counter it. So there was a kind of very explosive situation. So they were keen on countering the hold of other powers over the Balkans and control over them. They did not want other powers to control them. Instead, they wanted to control themselves. This led to a series of wars. This led to a series of wars in the region among the nationalists, different regions, among the nationalists and the Ottoman rulers, and among the big powers. Three-front war. So this led to a series of war in the region, and finally the First World War began. Finally the First World War. Germany occupied Poland. Now started because Germany occupied Poland and Russia, England, and Austro-Hungary. Now they try to counter it, and the World War started. Nationalism and refusal of imperialism. These nationalists, they refuse imperialism. They refuse the monarchy. They wanted to have an independent country, nation states. So in nationalism and refusal of imperialism led Europe to disaster in 1914. This was the main reason of the World War, First World War. It started from the Balkans. The First World War started from the Balkans, so that's why it is quite important. The case of Balkans, very, very explosive and serious. So, Balkan was just like an electrical fuse. If anything happens, it will blow up. So, in our next class, we'll continue conclusion. We'll do the last portion, the conclusion. So, and then we'll finish this chapter. So, in our next class, we'll do the conclusion and you go through this properly. 6.0, you can read that. Balkans, you must pay attention to that because it is the main cause of the First World War, as well as a tension arose in Balkans, and the reasons and the results, what happened. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lesson. Conclusion of nationalism, imperialism. Not only that, the rise of nationalism in Europe. So we'll come to the conclusion. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for paying so much attention and listening so carefully and being present in the class with me. So thank you very much. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you very much.